Happy birthday to me. Me, I'm 25 today. What are you today? I can also tell you, not only am I 25 today and today is my birthday, today is lightning hockey. Tonight is actually the first and only home preseason game at the St. Pete Times Forum, so it's 3:06 p.m. September 23rd, 2011. But yeah, so just waiting pretty much to everybody to get here so we can go. Danny's in. She's like actually switching from California to Maryland, where she's gonna be stationed at, and the beautiful Kim will be here soon. And I just texted Ben. Don't know what he's doing, but he's gonna be with us too. So it's gonna be sweet. Let's kick some Florida Panthers face in. That's what I'm talking about. I want to see them crushed like 12-0. That's what I want. That's what I want for my birthday. Make it happen, Lightning. Stamkos triple hat trick.
Our season opener was...
Oh yeah, are you ready?
I brought the wrong tickets.
No, you didn't.
I know.
I knew it was.
Because I had them laying out on top.
You know who Tampa's playing this week?
Let's do it.
And I heard they lost.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh, you're still doing that video thing?
Yeah.
God, that's been like more than a year now.
Gilroy looks mean. Gilroy looks like he could punch him in the face and kill him. Who's Carnaker? That guy.
He's good.
Is he good?
Yeah. Woo! He'll get fine. He'll get fine.
Go, Blair! You got it, Blair!
He's gonna.
Make
Yeah.
United States Central Command Joint Service Color Guard.
Marshall Gillen and Les Sabler.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is with heavy hearts that the Tampa Bay Lightning, the National Hockey League, and the World Hockey family pause to remember the victims of Russia's Lokomotiv Yaroslavl hockey team who perished in a terrible accident 2 weeks ago. We share in the sorrow of a tragedy that claimed the lives of head coach and 18-year NHL veteran Brad McCrimmon and 43 team members, many of whom were also NHL alumni. Skilled players and friends who will never be forgotten. At this time, we kindly ask that you join us as we honor their memories with a moment of silence. Thank you.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome and join in singing loud and proud with Les Sabler and Marshall Gillen.
Yeah! Long overdue.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight
Hockey's back! Woo! Happy birthday to me!
From your Tampa Bay Lightning, number 21, Matthias
Tola! Woo!
Nice number 2-star from your Tampa Bay Lightning, number 14,
Brett Halley!
and tonight's
Number 22!
two goals, number 22, and right now let's send it over to the Lightning bench where Brittany is standing by with
I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything, nothing at all.
We have the driver, Kimberly. Backseat passenger, Sabrina. Kenny McDonald. Benjamin Chrysler. My college degree. So proud of me. You just, hey, where do you think you're going, jackass?
Not coming in this lane. You're not coming in this lane.
I know we don't move it last
And on top of all of that, you get over to this lane anyway.
because I can.
I just wanna lay in my bed.
It's like a Disney sing-along.
Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything, nothing at all. My hair, I ain't going anywhere. No, 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 no.
No!
I'll just strut in my birthday suit and then everything hang loose. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, today I swear I'm not doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Go Lightning. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. So today I swear I'm not doing anything, nothing at all.
Yeah, I feel motivated right now to sing happy birthday.
Why? Oh, that's like
I feel like we should sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Twinkle, twinkle.
I don't know. We're all singing. I feel kind of moto right now to sing.
I thought the
You need a
song was
cake.
inspiring you happy birthday. I'm like, I don't get it. I'm so sorry. Happy birthday, Dustin.
Thank you.
From the entire Christophilus clan on that.
Fuck you and fuck her too. Said if I was with ya, it'd still be with ya. Oh, ain't that some shit? Ain't that some shit? Pain in my chest, I still wish you the best. And fuck you. I said I'm sorry, I can't afford a Ferrari, but that don't mean I can't get you there. Xbox, I'm more Atari. The way you play your game ain't fair. I picture the fool that fall in love with you, mama. Oh, she's a gold digger, just like you should know.
Normally I would have no problem saying that.
So you drive around town with the girl I love, and I'm like, fuck you. Change in my pocket wasn't enough, so I'm like, fuck you and fuck her too. Say if I was richer, I'd still be with her. Oh, ain't that some shit? Ain't that some shit? So wish you the best. Fuck you. Yeah, you opened my door.
Had to borrow.
Begging, stealing, lying, cheating. Oh.
The gay clip on the one car. Wait, you told me? No, I just thought about you.
Oh.
Being in love with your ass ain't cheap. Nah, picture the fool. Falls in love with you. Oh, she's a gold digger. Just thought you should know.
Ben, I'm taking you home, aren't I?
Hate your ass right now.
Drive around town with the girl I love, and I'm not.
Oh shit, there's a party going on.
Jesus. Why weren't we invited?
Where's the party?
Fuck you and
They stole freaking